Hi guys, just want to do a little video to test my, well, I call them dead cats, but apparently if they're like this, if they're not fluffy, they're pop shields to stop the wind noise across the microphone on my Samsung Galaxy A51 that I'm currently filming with. Now, these fluffy ones work very nicely, but I'm going to try these 3D printed hoods, I think I'll call them, because the hood goes over the microphone, and I've used the normal 3D print infill or support layer to provide some sort of deadening inside that dome. So I'll put them on the camera or on the phone, and then we'll make an elephant out of this milk bottle or carton. And we'll see how well it deadens the sound. Oh, I was just pushing them on and accidentally pressed the off button on the camera. Right, okay. The noise we're talking about, the pop noise, is when I speak too close to one of the microphones and the wind from my voice goes directly over the microphone and causes a pop sound. Anyway, I'll put you on the tripod and we'll do that, and I'll keep waffling on and we'll see if it has any effect. I've done these before. I just thought it'd be a simple little subject to test the microphone. Right, if you can't see it already, that's the trunk, that's the head, that's probably the seat that you often see on top of performing elephants. Leg comes down here quite naturally, a bit of a belly on it there, and ideally we ought to save the tail as well. So let's see what we can do. We're definitely gonna come down here. Can't come out though, because that's gonna not look right. So around there like that. Let's come up. Not too far. Nice big belly. Haven't got that level. Be tilting forwards like that. I have to come about there somewhere. So ideally we want a little tail hanging down. And actually that can go a little bit further. Let the tail swing over a little bit. And that leg's will come down here to about here somewhere. Ideally keep the legs the same size. Then I've come up there like that. Fat belly. Down there. Probably not that far. Something like that. And then the trunk. It's probably easier to see it now, isn't it? Right, now you either cut that out with a sharp knife or scissors. How sharp is this? Probably end up using scissors. Let's cut down there a bit. Cut right the way round, then we can work on it a bit easier. Funny old day outside today. It keeps raining and then the sun keeps coming out. And at the moment the sun is out beautifully. Okay, looking good so far. That's going to be a bit of a problem because that's quite thick. I better put a cutting board underneath. Okay, that came off nicely. Right, scissors aren't going to do that. They're too big. Might be able to do it. Remember, I'm chatting and waffling to see if we get any of this pop problem. I'm gonna have to cut that. Okay, looks good. Now for this end. Right, elephant done. I'll just move the camera. There we are. Put ears and eyes on it. So the elephant turned out nicely. I'll have to play the video back and see how the audio sounds. Obviously you could paint it if you wanted it to be a different colour, if you didn't want a white elephant. I'm quite pleased with that. That turned out quite nicely.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.